Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to change your clock settings on your Rad Power Bike. So to change the clock, all you need to do is first turn the bike on by hitting the giant orange power button. You can see here the bike is now turned on. I show 9:35. I'm going to set this to 8:30 or around 8:30. So to change my time, what I need to do is hit the down button on this UI as well as the headlight button at the same time. So press and hold these two buttons down at the same time for about 4 seconds. It doesn't matter if the headlight is on or off, you just need to be holding both buttons down for about 4 seconds. You can see here now we're in program mode by this giant P. You can see over here the setting is different. So right now we're not under the clock setting, we're under the 12-hour or 24-hour option. So I need to cycle through until I get to clock. So to cycle through the menu, just press the headlight button. The second option is the clock. The third option is miles per hour, kilometers per hour. The fourth option is screen brightness, and then back to the first option of the military clock or 12-hour clock setting. So I'm going to go to the clock setting, and again, I was just pressing the headlight button to do that. And so I want to change my clock to 8:30. So to change the time, just use these two buttons here, and I'm going to press down because I want to go to 8. You can go at 1 minute at a time, or you can press and hold and go in 10-minute increments. So I went a little too far back, so I'm going to go again to 8:30. I'm actually going to do 8:32, and I want to save it. So I'm good. We're at 8:32, and I want to go back and lock this in. So to lock it in, press and hold the down button again, as well as the headlight button for about 4 seconds. And now you can see we're back to the main menu screen, and we're locked in at 8:32. And that is how you set your clock on your Rad Power Bike. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in future quick videos.